Hi, welcome to my channel. So this video is very most important to all the PhD aspirants as well as the pursuing candidates. Why? So here I am going to show you what are the journals you have to publish for your selection purpose or else for your completion of your PhD purpose. Okay. So here UGC has recognized a few journals, guys. So if you published in those journals, then it will be very flexible that you can able to select for the PhD admission in the topmost colleges in India, as well as you can easily complete or else quickly complete your PhD if you publish your journals in the UGC recognized one. So that's why it is the most important and the must watch video to all the PhD aspirants as well as the pursuing candidates. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Here I am going to give the complete details regarding the journals and the website also. It will be very much helpful to your friends or colleagues, guys, and as well as to you also. So I am requesting you to please share. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so University Grants Commissions observed a lot of fraud in the case of PhD as well as in the case of research publications. Okay. So after finding out all these fraud issues, then the University Grants Commissions of first time on 28th November 2018, they gave one public notice which is mentioning the quality mandate, especially in the quality research. Okay. So here I will just show you the highlights of this one. The quality mandate of UGC emphasizes importance of promoting quality research by the faculty and creating the new knowledge. Okay, and the number of research articles published in reputed journals is one of the globally accepted indicators. Okay, and high quality publications in reputed journals help in achieving the higher global rank and overall improvement of quality of education. Publications in dubious or else the substandard journals reflects adversely, leading to long-term academic damage of the image, and a problem of dubious or substandard journals has become a serious concern all over the world, especially in India, guys. And the percentage of research articles published in poor quality journals is reported to be high in India. Okay, so which has adversely affecting its image. So that's why UGC approved list of journals was created with an intention to help academic fraternity to bring the measurable parameters for the purpose of various academic evaluation of individuals as well as the institutions. Fine. So if you publish in these journals, then it will be very good to you guys, okay, in your future also. That means wherever you, after completion of your PhD, wherever you are going for the selection of the associate professor or assistant professor promotion, or else for the PhD, what we call professor and postdoctoral fellowship, whatever you are applying for, it will be the very good to you guys. Okay, so based upon this one, here the University Grants Commissions, okay, mention the list of journals, and you may check down. It is official website of the University Grants Commission regarding the CARE, that is Consortium for Academic and the Research Ethics. Okay, so this website is maintaining by the Pune University, guys. Okay, so here the journals, that is UGC CARE list, is divided to the two groups. One is the group 1 and second one is the group 2. And while coming to the group 1, you will get 4 journals. Okay, so the group 1 we will see research journals in disciplines under science, engineering, technology, agriculture and biomedical sciences are well covered globally accepted scientific database like Scopus and Web of Science. Therefore, the journals indexed in Scopus and Web of Science may be considered for all academic purpose in these disciplines. Okay, so whatever this Web of Science and Scopus, these journals are there, these will came under the group number 2 of the UGC journal list. And coming to the for other disciplines such as social sciences, humanities, languages, arts, culture, Indian knowledge system, etc., a list of credible quality journals need to be prepared and maintained. So for this purpose, the UGC CARE is established. Okay, and all this list comes in the group 1. Okay, so if you want to check what are the different journals exist in the group number 1 and group number 2, okay, you just click on that one. and then you will be directed to the group number 1 list of journals, and as well as the journal corresponding website ID also you may get. That means website URL also you will get in this page, guys. So it will be very much, very most advantageous to all the PhD pursuing as well as the aspirants candidates. Okay, for aspirants it will be very much helpful for your selection purpose, and for the pursuing candidates it will be very much helpful to you for your quickly completion of your PhD, right? So whenever the PhD Viva Voice is came, and if you published your journals in the UGC care, as per the UGC care list, okay, then your PhD will be smoothly completed, guys. That means your Viva Voice will be smoothly completed, fine. So while coming to the subject wise, if you want to search the subject wise journals, okay, then first you have to log in, guys. Okay, that means first you have to register with the UGC care. Okay, after registering, then only the list of journals will be opened here. As per your subject wise, okay, you will be directed to this one. So UGC list group 1, okay, and UGC list group 2. So coming to the group 2, it is globally recognized databases, that means international wide. So Web of Science, Scopus and MLA, okay, all these things are given, so you may check down. And coming to the UGC care list, group 1, so here you may check down as per the subject wise, okay. So UGC care list is dynamic, that means it is keep on changing, so you have to be updated regularly with this website, but because regularly the UGC will add few journals and UGC will remove few journals, so you must be regularly update with the University Grants Commission care list, guys. Okay, so whatever the journals are listed in the UGC, so please be updated regularly. And the care list is divided into the sciences, social sciences, arts and humanities, and multidisciplinary. So here you may check down, as well as the Indian languages. Okay, so if you want to check the social sciences, just click on that one, and then you will be directed to the next web page. So whatever the journals, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, here the pages are there. Whatever the journals comes under the social sciences, okay, the total 293 are there. You may check down all the list of journals. Okay, so try to publish, if you belongs to social sciences, try to publish your paper or else your journal in these mentioned list. Okay, it will be the very good advantage, guys. Anyhow, you are working hard to prepare the journal, so your hard work must be recognized in a very good way. So don't try to publish in some stupid journals. Okay, please try to publish in the UGC recognized journals. Okay, so like that you can search as per the what we call subject wise. Okay, and if you are having here the frequently asked questions are there, I think it will be helpful to you. Okay, if you are having any queries regarding this UGC care list, so here the total 21 or else the 22 frequently asked questions are kept, as well as here the answers also kept for this one. So after going through all these questions, if you are having still doubts regarding this UGC care list or the journal publication, so please put your doubts in the comment section, guys. Okay, then I will reply to that one. Or else if it is not in the reply manner, then I will try to do one video based upon your query. Okay. And coming to the corresponding states, that to the complete east zone, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand and all these things. Okay, corresponding states will come under as per this zone, guys. And west zone, south zone and the north zone. Okay. That means the candidates whoever belongs to these states, okay, then here the head of the northern zone is Jawaharlal Nehru University, and coming to the eastern zone, Tejpur University, and the western zone, MS University of Baroda, and southern zone, University of Hyderabad. Okay, so these are all the details, guys, that I want to give, but still most of the details are there. Okay, but this video will be very long, guys, so that's why I'm just stopping with this one. Fine. So if you're having any queries, then please let me know in the comment section, guys. Okay, I will answer that one. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900 and for 3 months 2,823 and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, The electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.